Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salmon belly. First, ensure your salmon belly is fresh and about 1.5 inches thick for optimal results. Pat it completely dry using paper towels to achieve a crispy skin. Then, season both sides generously with coarse sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple preparation is key to unlocking its rich flavor and perfect texture. Get ready for a delicious and easy cooking experience. Now let's get cooking. Heat a heavy-bottomed pan such as cast iron over medium-high heat until it's shimmering. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil like avocado oil to the hot pan. Carefully place the salmon belly, skin side down, into the pan. Cook undisturbed for 4 to 5 minutes to achieve a beautifully crispy skin. This step is crucial for that irresistible texture. After achieving that perfect crispy skin, it's time to finish cooking the flesh. Gently flip the salmon belly and cook it flesh side down for another 2 to 3 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit for food safety. Once cooked, remove the salmon from the pan and let it rest for 5 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a moist and tender result. Your perfectly cooked salmon belly is now ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it with fresh lemon wedges and a sprinkle of chopped dill or parsley for a burst of freshness. Serve it immediately alongside your favorite side dishes, perhaps some roasted vegetables or a light salad. This method guarantees a tender, flavorful salmon belly every time. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.